Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Giuseppe with AI Business Lab, and today we have something pretty cool / special for you. And what it is, it actually came with the last update, but it's just taken a bit of a hot minute for people to be able to utilize this and kind of understand what it's doing. Now, this is plugins for AI and for Claude Code specifically. Now, the plugin is essentially one where you can create a plugin and you can share it with your audience, or you can find some that are popular and you can use those. There are some preliminary ones I've been messing with, specifically called compounding engineering. And it's just, it's another channel on here. I forgot his name, great guy. But you can come in here and it's really easy to install. The link will be in the description. You pretty much come in, you run Claude, you link this, you type in this one command, it loads up, and then you install the plugin, type in that, it loads up. And then when you come over here, you just type /compounding. And it has the plan, which is really good, review, triage, and word. And there's obviously some in the middle there, generate command, but the plan has been really good. And it pretty much goes through and it generates, it covers everything that's going on. It generates a plan at a deeper level, has a bunch of smaller sub-agents that it will use to help generate that plan. And as you know, I'm not a measure twice, cut once kind of guy. But with that said, even putting in a little bit of effort with this and seeing that, hey, getting a full triage together, getting a full plan together so they can go through and understand what's going on with this is a huge win. And it is helping me already to kind of solve some issues that I've been running into with some of my WordPress builds. Anyways, that's it for today. If you're curious, if you want more information, feel free to shoot me a message. Check out some of my other channels. If you've watched to the end, you're an absolute legend. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.